what's up again, everybody? Robert 184, One Japan continues. I've arrived in the small station here of Awa Ikeda, which is surrounded by mountains. It looks like very picturesque. And I'm here in the new prefecture of Tokushima. Let's go see what this prefecture has on offer. To kick things off, it's just worth a quiet look around here. In front of the station, the arcade greets you, it looks like, or at least covers the road there. Go for it, Japan. Welcome to Ikeda. And here's a look at the actual station itself. The focus really is on the Ikeda part of the name here. And of course, small as it is though, there's a tourist information center. Let's go see what they've got in mind.
ようこそ徳島へ。
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And the advice starts with just heading out down the arcade road here, but you've got to laugh because as soon as you get here, there's a karaoke stadium, or studio, sorry, and people are already in there having a great time here on a weekday afternoon. It's a very relaxed feel around here as people go about their daily business. But outside of the arcade, just the views of the mountains that surround the town really makes it quite pretty here. And this has to be the king town or queen town of karaoke here. Music shops all over the place and all sorts of bars that are mostly going to be open at night, with karaoke prominently displayed on their signs. I'm telling you, it's everywhere here. Karaoke classroom down there. Pretty scenes here, mixed with nightlife, udon, and snacks, and a lot of that. Tobacco. And that's because everywhere I've gone in this town so far, the people have noticeably been smokers. And it's sort of funny that at the Tourist Information Center, where did they send me with this nice little walking map? To the Tobacco Museum. However, sometimes when you travel you've got good luck and sometimes bad. It's closed today. You can just see it's got its little take UV sign out. Anyway, everybody, is that a good thing or a bad thing? It looks sort of interesting from the outside, though. And some very cool woodworking. Toys and decorations can be seen. And inside, furniture as well. There's more weekday karaoke going on inside. If you can make it out here.